Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 5. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss infinite loop. So guys, let's get started. So a loop that repeats indefinitely and never terminates is called an infinite loop. And an infinite loop is also called endless loop or indefinite loop. An infinite loop either produces a continuous output or no output. So the control conditions must be well defined and specified. Otherwise, the loop will execute an infinite number of times. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the reasons of infinite loop. So basically there are two main reasons of infinite loop. So first one is no termination condition is specified, and in the second point the specified conditions never meet. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss few examples of indefinite loop or infinite loop. So guys, here it is an example of infinite loop with for loop. So there is no condition in this for loop, that's why it is an infinite loop. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is infinite loop with while loop. So guys, this is an example of infinite loop with while loop. So here we are putting 1 as a condition, so it means condition will always be true. And now guys, moving on to next topic. So it is an example of infinite loop with do while loop. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is when to use an infinite loop. So guys, an infinite loop is useful for those applications that accept the user input and generate the output continuously until the user exits from the application manually. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss few examples of infinite loops. So first one is menu driven programs. So all menu driven programs are an example of infinite loop. And in the second point, all the operating systems run in an infinite loop as it does not exit after performing some task. It comes out of an infinite loop only when the user manually shuts down the system. And in the next point, all the servers run in an infinite loop as the server responds to all the client requests. It comes out of an infinite loop only when the administrator shuts down the server manually. Moving further guys, all the games also run in an infinite loop. The game will accept the user request until the user exits from the game. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.